This song is in F major, but we're gonna use a capo on the 5th fret. So we're gonna be in the key of C relative to the capo. And that is because we don't want to use too many bar chords. So this is gonna be an easier version. In the verse and in the chorus, which is the first part of the song, we play C to G, and then back to C, and C, and then we go to F, and then to G, and then to C again. This song is in 6/8, so we're gonna have the strumming pattern down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So we can count 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and. So we have C, G, C, C, F, G, C, C, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. And then in the last chorus, going into the bridge, we play C, G, C, as usual, and then F, G, C, and then B7. And here you can play B7, or you can choose to play a A-shaped bar chord here with the 2nd fret and 4th fret. Or you can play a B5, which is 2nd fret, 4th fret, 4th fret, and open on the B string. So when we play B in this song, you can choose between any of those 3 chords. So in the last chorus we have and that B we only play once. And then we go into the bridge. And in the bridge, we also just play one strum for each chord. And we start off with E minor. And then we again go to B or B7. And then we go to E minor again. And then again B or B5. And then we go to G, to D, and then comes one bar chord. So this is F sharp bar chord relative to the capo. So you can play this as an E-shaped bar chord, or if this is too difficult, you can just play the top 4 strings like this. And then again we go to B or B7. So we have E minor, B, E minor, B, and then G, D, F sharp to B7. then we have the outro. And here we don't play in the time signature of 6/8, but instead we have 4/4 time signature. So here we're only gonna play down, 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 down. And here we have the chords E major to A to B7.